Okay, so we're on Straw Street, Palha Street, Rua de Palha, and it is crowded today, December 31st. It's got crowds in every direction. This one goes towards Senado Square. That direction goes towards the Portuguese Consulate, Portuguese Embassy. Say Cathedral is up that way. And our target street is going to be this one right here where all the people are at. So let's try to do Straw Street here, Rua de Palha. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Let's just kind of systematically try to take all this in. So we have tons and tons of crowds. Let's go up a little ways. Probably go straight up. Let me just see how we're going to do this. I think we're going to, hello. Say hi to him because he's looking at me a lot. There's a lot of mainlanders here today, so we're getting that kind of vibe of a lot of tourists from mainland, so they're not so used to foreigners at all. So usually I don't have that, but man, there's so many people today. I think we're just going to keep on going up Straw Street. You did get a little bit of a context of where we were. That in there, I usually go there and I get some dumplings. Got a toy shop here. Let's see. Yeah, it's actually pretty interesting because there's a lot of people with their cameras right here too, which is unusual because the Senado Square is very popular. That's up that way a little bit. Straw Street is relatively short. But the crowds today might take a little while to get up there. Let's do a little bit of an excursion here. So we're just going to go up into, there's a little plaza right here, halfway up Straw Street, Palha, Rua de Palha. We just got so many people everywhere. So this is a street we're not going to go up, but that one leads up to the backside of the fortress, Monte Fortress. And we're halfway up Palha, taking it all in. Crowded. There's lots of places in Macau that are not crowded, but this is just one of the big tourist draws, this area. These are all pedestrian streets as well, so. Nice balconies. There are some alleys down that way. Okay, so we're gonna be out of Palha Street now, and there's St. Paul Street. So it just kind of transitioned itself out of it. And so you can see the shrine that says Rua de Sao Paulo, so that Sao Paulo goes up to Sao Paulo ruins, which is way up the top. So yeah, Palha Street. Relatively small. there and stuff, how the ruins is up at the top. You can barely see it through here. But we're just gonna focus on Palha, and I'm just kind of capturing the crowds today on this busy day. Oh, that was something. This guy's eating, he's eating food flew out of his mouth. Okay. So that's it. Palha Street. Crowded. So we're gonna end it right there. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.